Hello everyone, we welcome you all. Today we are going to show you different art techniques that are made useful for you. First we are going to make this cute little character and this is very easy. I am making use of the marker for this one. You can first trace it down using the pencil. Once you are done with that, then you can highlight the lines using the marker. After that you are going to use some of the colors to fill it with. Isn't it so easy? Whenever you want to visit anyone and you want to just give them some blessings and some of the wishes, it's better that you go with a bouquet. Today we are going to show you how we can trace down a bouquet in just few easy simple steps. For tracing it down, I'm again here using the black marker. You can make use of the pencil so that you can erase any mistake if you have made. This activity is simple and it's very less time consuming. Once you are done with the drawing like we have done here, then you have to start the coloring. For coloring, I'm making use of the sketch pens. You can start the coloring with the pencil colors, watercolors, crayons, wax colors, pastels or any one you are comfortable with. Let's now have a look at another activity. This activity is also very simple and it's very less time consuming. It's just a house that we are going to trace down in just few easy simple steps by making the different shapes like the triangle, rectangle, square, semicircle, etc. In the background we are showing you how we are creating the greenery as we are drawing some of the trees and the garden area. This activity is very simple and it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 10. Then you need to fill it with the colors. Here I am using the sketch ones. You can use the wax colors, crayons or the pencil ones also. The choice is all yours. This activity is very simple. I am making use of the two different shades to fill the trees with. First one is filled with the green and another is filled with the yellow. Let's come up to our another activity. Here we are going to make use of the marker for tracing down a girl and she is wearing some woolen clothes. She has just wrapped her with the muffler and the thick sweater. This represents that it's the season of the winter and it's very cold, so she is wearing such heavy clothes in order to protect herself from the cold. This activity is again very simple and it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11. Be careful while you are tracing down. Now it's time to fill some colors. For coloring her here, I am making use of some orangey shade. You can make use of the brown also. It all depends on your choice. This activity is very simple and you can go for this one. You have to fill the colors carefully so that the painting will look more and more attractive and you will get good grades for this one. Just practice it once or twice so that you can become pro in this one. Don't forget to add the cheeks with the tint. Let's have a look at our another activity. Here we are going to show you how we will be able to trace down the peach in just few easy simple steps. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 5 to 6. Fill it with the pink color that's light in color and the leaves are colored with the green. Let's have a look at another activity. This is again very simple and it's again best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 7 to 8. I am just drawing it using a marker. You can make use of the pencil. The choice is all yours. In order to avoid any mistake, it's better to first trace it down using the pencil. Thank you.